Hey man, what are you doing? We have to reach Christmas party within half an hour. Why are you getting so late? Have not you done your work?
Boss just called me and told me to send all the Christmas mail to all my buyers. I got 45 clients, man. How do I send all the mails within half an hour? I also have to join the party.
I can help you.
No, I will buy you drink for sure.
Let me show you how it works. It will take few minutes only to send all the mails to all your buyers.
Go to the Gmail, then open a new tab in the Chrome. Write Chrome extension. It will lead you to the Chrome extension page where you can add GMass. GMass is the tool which will help you to send bulk mails. Then you can add it to your Chrome as an extension. After that, you have to go to the mail, and then you have to make a login. You have to make a login in this. Go sign in with your Google account. Then give all the permission it is asking, because it will help you to send all the bulk mails. After that, you have to go to the section where you have to make a spreadsheet about all your buyers. So first you have to go to the Google spreadsheet, search Google spreadsheet online on Google Chrome. Then you will go to the Google spreadsheet, and then you can title your project as a Merry Christmas. After that, you can write all your buyers name, first name, last name, and recipient. That means in the recipient you have to add all your Gmails, email IDs, and in the first name you can add all your recipient first name and last name if you like to add. I'm only adding the first name here so we can get through this fast as soon as possible. After that, you have to go to your Google email, then search for the spreadsheet. You can see the icon after the search bar. You can add it to your connect to spreadsheet. Connect spreadsheet and add Merry Christmas spreadsheet. It will show you. Then you can open your create mail, write your subject Merry Christmas, and then you can first name, add first name, so it will automatically add the first name. Go to the Google, search for the Merry Christmas image, choose whatever image you like to add in the text. Then what you can do is take a screenshot. For as we need to do it fast, we are taking just a screenshot. Take a screenshot, paste it on the Google email, then write your name as thank you and write your name. After that, you can send mails, and it will send all the mails at once. So the 5 recipient got the mail instantly. You don't have to do anything. You can check mails in the send email, and you can see as the mail have been sent to all the recipient, and it took only few seconds for me to do it.
You are a lifesaver, man. You are a lifesaver. Dude, I got 45 clients. Is it free for all the clients to send bulk mail?
Don't worry man, you can send 50 bulk emails a day for free, absolutely free.
How do you know this, man?
How do I know this? Because I follow my man Ajay Goel. He's the founder of GMass.